What's up, YouTube? Let's talk about it. So listen, let's get straight into it. So this video is about, in this video, I'm going to teach you exactly how to have multiple MT4s, multiple MetaTrader 4 terminals for the same broker. Got it? So if you're in the United States or if you're anywhere and you need a broker, go to coinexbroker.com. You go to coinexbroker.com. After you sign up there, if you're in the United States, all you got to do is click Canada and then you're good. Right? Every other country, your country should be on the list. If you're in the United States, click Canada and you should be good. To withdraw, they only require two-step authorization and then you're good. Or two-step authentication, whatever it is. Got it? So go to coinexbroker.com or go to any broker you want. And then we're gonna go to platforms. We want to download MT4. Got it? So you see, you click MT4. You already see I have one MT4 here, and I have another, my second MT4 here. Got it? So you come here, click Windows, download it again. So look, I already did it once. So when you do it, you're going to click Open File. Click Yes. See, look, usually you'll just click Next. No, you don't want to do that. Click Settings. So you see this Coinex terminal? All you got to do is delete this right here. And you can name it anything. I'm gonna name it my Instagram name at Bruce Webb dot dot JR. That's my Instagram. So go follow me on Instagram at Bruce Webb .jr. Right? Click that, then click don't want to open the website. So get rid of that and then click next. Boop. Watch this. Now I have a new Coinex terminal pop up right here. Now that'll be my third Coinex terminal that I have on my computer. So this is good for people that's running robots, testing different robots, stuff like that. So I have one Coinex MT4, two Coinex MT4. So then right here, I should have three Coinex MT4 after it opens. Just like that. So now I have 1, 2, 3, and you can do this for endless MT4s on your computer. If you didn't know, now you know. If you want more tips like this, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Let's get it, baby. I'm out. Go follow my Instagram too. Let's get it.